Hi, my name is Steve. I was the project manager for NYTDR on this particular project, from remediation to full restoration. Basically, what happened when you came into this project, all the built-ins where the water problems were matched all the built-ins in the whole apartment.
There were leaks in the apartment, and as a result of the leaks, there was mold in the apartment. And basically the apartment had to be completely destroyed, and we needed a total renovation to put everything back so that it was usable.
What NYTDR did was started this project with testing, probing, negotiating with the insurance company, and then bringing the project to an end with a very happy client.
Hazmat people came in, they did all kinds of stuff. And
the heating had to be changed, the air conditioning, anything that involved water and moisture.
They did everything from start to finish, but it was a total renovation.
One of the amazing things that NYTDR did was be able to deal with the insurance company. Because of course in the beginning they only want to take care of the immediate damage area, but the issue that you have is everything affects the whole apartment.
We were worried about whether the insurance company, how much they would cover. Truthfully, Perry immediately said to me that he could look after it and he would look after it, and he knew the company and he knew how to deal with them, and I should trust him, which we did. And very happy that we did.
The tactic of the insurance company is to settle on the spot. So it's less paperwork. You don't think about whether if you need to move or you can't live while you're doing the demo. So these are the things that you don't think of right away when someone's writing you a check.
They were limiting what they were giving, and he got a supervisor. He's very persistent and knowledgeable in that area, and he persisted until he succeeded.
NYTDR took the steps through the insurance company to cover the demo, the remediation, and then also covered the expenses of the lawyers that were involved in this particular claim.
We were put upon very badly.
What NYTDR did for preventative maintenance was put sensors in at all the locations, wherever water sources were, with a sensor that goes through your phone. So if you're traveling, then you could be able to call a super to come here to turn the water off. We also put in isolation valves in every room that has water, so you can turn the waters off separately. Hiring NYTDR helps in the negotiation, that they just don't settle for any number, not thinking through of what you're going to expect to find in the future.
We would both definitely recommend NYTDR because they did a complete service for us, which we actually didn't expect at the beginning, and we're lucky that they did.